Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about a question that I get all the time, especially with the water manifestation. How long does it take? How many times do I need to do this? And this is not just for the water manifestation. This is about any manifestation exercise you do. And what I want to talk to you about is time. Time is an illusion. Stop asking when it will happen or how long does it take, because every time you say how long is it going to take, when is it going to happen, or you're thinking how is it going to happen, or what if my house gets sold before I get to buy it, or what if this happens, or what if that happens, every one of those thoughts are pushing your manifestations away. So you have to stop doing that. Time is an illusion. Right now it is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon where I'm at. On the East Coast, it's about 4 o'clock. Then somewhere out in Asia, it's already the next day. So we've got all these different time slots, but everything is happening simultaneously. So everything at this moment is still going on, no matter what time zone you're in. So when you're thinking about time, you're thinking with an ego mindset. And you need to get off that ego and go into your spiritual mindset where time is not a matter. And yes, it is hard to do. It's very challenging. I'm still practicing it myself. But I know when I get those thoughts about how it's going to happen or when it's going to happen, how long do I have to do this, I know to change my thought pattern to something else. And this is why a lot of times when people ask me questions, I'll say, do it this many times and then let it go. And some people may not know what I mean by letting it go. By letting it go, I mean not think about it. Get it out your mind. If it comes to your mind, do something to where it distracts your mind and get it off. So you have to learn to control your thoughts. Control what you're thinking. Recognize when you're having those thoughts that are going to push your manifestations back. The easiest way to let things go and to control your mind is to submerge yourself in things that make you happy. Remember when it says that feel like you already have it, and people are like, well, how am I supposed to feel like I already have it when I know I don't have it? And the way to do it is to be happy without it. And the way you do that is to submerge yourself in the things that you like doing, whether if it's playing with your pet, watching videos that make you laugh, playing video games, going out for walks. You need to keep your mind busy so it's not thinking about what you don't have. So as long as you can do that, your brain is working on your time and you're controlling what your thoughts are. So have you noticed, like, when you could be thinking about something little and all of a sudden you see it or you have it, and you know why? It's because it's not important to you. And that's what you have to do. No matter how big and important thing you want, you got to make it not important and it will come faster. And I want you to try this. I want you to intend manifesting a nickel. I don't know if that's gonna focus on there, but manifest a nickel. That is your challenge. And some of you might think, oh, I can do that, that's easy. Because you know what? A nickel is not much to you. You don't care if you don't manifest it. It's a nickel, it's 5 cents. Now, think about manifesting $10,000. Right away, your mind is going to be like, how long is that going to be? How long is it going to take for me to find $10,000? Where your mind on a nickel is going to be like, oh my gosh, your mind is thinking about so many places it can find a nickel, getting change back on the street, tossed around under your couch cushion. So your mind is thinking all these ways that it's going to work. But when I say manifest 10,000, how is your mind thinking? Your mind is thinking, how am I going to do that? How long is it going to take me to manifest 10,000? That's a lot of money. So you see the difference? The same money, the 5 cents and the $10,000 is on the same frequency, but it's about how you think about it. 5 cents is not important. 10,000 is not really a life changer, but it can make a big difference if you have it. So that's what I'm talking about as far as mindset and letting things go. Don't think about it as important. If it's coming to your mind where, oh my gosh, this is important, what if they sell this before I can get it? Again, that's like a lack mindset. Everything's gonna be gone. You're worrying about everything. And what you need to do is stay in the present moment. Think about right now. If there's nothing else you can do right now about what you want, then you need to let it go. You need to find something to make you happy. Find something that you can do right now and focus on that. And that problem or that worry in the back of your head, you need to let that part go and deal with it the next day. If there's nothing you can do the next day, don't think about it. Find something that makes you happy, even if it's free. Go to the park. I mean, there's lots of things you can do that might not cost money. If you're thinking, oh, it costs money to go do things I want, there's so many things you can do. I mean, tap into your creative side. Do some drawing, some art. Like I said, go outside, exercise. I mean, there's so many things you can do to keep your mind off of what you're needing to manifest once you've done your manifesting exercise. So if you take anything from that, it's stay in the moment. Keep the words and thoughts about how it's going to happen, when it's going to happen, what if this happens, what if that happens. You need to keep that out of your mind. And like I said, we're human, we're going to think that. It's like an automatic thing. But if you can recognize when you're thinking those thoughts and change it right away, it's going to help you see your manifestations faster, because you're not thinking about it. You're not worrying about it. You're not accidentally putting negative energy towards it. So go out, and I want you to intend big, but think small. Intend big, but think small. Don't think about it. Don't put too much thought in what you're trying to manifest. And most importantly, go out and be happy. Do the things you want to do. Do what you can do for this day.